morning. Today we are going to see objective physics, some important topic in electrostatic. Okay. Before going into topic, I just want to ask, what is your goal? Okay. What is your goal? You don't tell just getting a degree, just getting a job. Beyond that, what is your goal? Okay. Everybody should have some definite goal in life, and in this age you should have. Okay, for that I want to explain cybernetic mechanism. Okay, cybernetic mechanism. In some homes somebody will grow pigeons. Okay, pigeons have that cybernetic mechanism. That means if you take the pigeon and put it in a cage and cover it with a blanket and put that in a box, take it to a car and then drive for 1000 kilometers around. After that, if you release that from the cage, okay, it will take 3 rounds in air. After that, without any deviation, unerringly, it will reach home. Okay, that is due to cybernetic mechanism. Okay, this cybernetic mechanism. Pigeons and some other birds also have this peculiar property. We human beings also have this property. That means we have to fix our goal, definite goal. Okay, and we have to focus just like a laser beam. Then definitely we will achieve in right time. You don't even calculate, okay, or know how to achieve that. Your brain will set mechanism for that to achieve that definite goal. Okay, next class, before that you just think and you put it in a comment, this is my goal. Or if you hesitate, then you fix it and then you focus, and now and then I'll give few steps to be followed for this achieving cybernetic mechanism. Okay, thank you. Now let us see few questions only in this class. Okay, these are all objective and these are all very important. Okay, see, when electrostatic potential V is constant, okay, already we have seen electrostatic potential. When electrostatic potential is constant, then electric field is, okay, they may be asked in the filling the blanks, or they may be asked in the objective pattern. Then it is 0. When potential is constant, electric field is 0. Or they may ask due to, they may ask following formulas. Okay, the formula is electric field equal to minus dV by dr, where V is the potential, electrostatic potential, R is the distance. Okay, next one, here potential is constant, they are asking electric field. Here, if electric field intensity is constant, then what about the potential? Okay, then the answer is not only 0. It may be 0 or it is a constant. Okay, if V is constant, then if you differentiate it will be constant, 0. Okay, therefore the same formula they can ask in reverse order also. Okay, next one, work done in moving 10 microcoulomb charge over an equipotential surface. Equipotential surface is 0, because the formula is work done equal to charge into potential difference. In equipotential surface, for example, for a point charge, the surface around is equipotential. Equipotential in what? In the surface or on the surface, all the points are having same potential. If you move a charge, whether it is 10 coulomb or 100 coulomb, whatever may be, milli or micro, whatever may be, if you move, that means if there is a potential difference, then only you have to calculate. Here potential difference is there in formula, there potential difference is 0. Therefore charge into 0, work done is equal to 0. Okay, next one, the energy gained by 5 coulomb charge, okay, when it moves from two plates of potential difference, that means two plates are here having, and their potential difference is 10 volt. Now you are moving a charge 5 coulomb from one plate to another plate. Then what will be the work done or energy gained? Energy gained equal to Q into V. Okay. Now potential difference is given, the same formula. Potential difference is given. Okay. Then you have to simply multiply this. Then it is 50 joules. Okay. Then next one is simple problem. Okay. And there is this. Then only I can work out here. These are all simple points. You should remember and you have to recollect. Therefore, I am giving as a separate class for you. Now, 2 point charges, 4 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb are separated by a distance 1 meter in air. Okay. At what point electric potential is 0? Okay. On the line joining two charges. Okay. There are 2 point charges. This and this. One is 4 microcoulomb. 4 microcoulomb and another is minus 2 microcoulomb. Okay. 2 charges are there. And both are separated by 1 meter. Both are separated by 1 meter. Okay. I will write here 1 meter. Okay. Now, one is positive, another is negative. That means at some point potential will be 0. They are asking at what point the potential will be 0. You have to calculate. They may be giving 4 objective answers. Okay. You have to find out and then you have to take the answer. It is very simple formula. Okay. Here you take the distance x. Okay. Because at what distance in the line joining they are asking. Okay. Therefore you take this as x and from this it is 1 minus x. Because the distance is given as 1 meter and at one point you take as x. That means at this point the potential is 0. You assume at one point the potential is 0 and the distance from this positive charge is x meter and the remaining will be 1 minus x, and if they are giving 10 means 10 minus x. Okay. Now you go to apply the formula. Potential for point charge, that means V equal to, okay, first you go to apply for this and that and then that, then you go to add. Okay. Or you can simply add because it's objective, you can add simply. Okay. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 4 divided by x. The formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r, the potential equal to. Okay. Now potential due to point charge, that is 4 microcoulomb, is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 4 microcoulomb or coulomb because both the charges, okay, are same. Let us see later. Okay. 4 by x. That means distance. Distance, that means potential at this point due to this charge. Okay. And potential due to this charge at this point, that is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here minus I have written, therefore you have to put 2 by 1 minus x. Okay. Which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. Because at that point the potential is 0 due to both the charges. Now after this you take 1 by 4 pi epsilon constant, okay, or common. Okay. Then 4 by x minus 2 by 1 minus x equal to 0. Okay. I'll erase this. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 can be cross multiplied and it will go to 0. Then your value is 4 by x minus 2 divided by 1 minus x equal to 0. After this simple mathematics, just to cross multiply. If you cross multiply 4 minus 4x. Okay, that means 4 into 1 minus x minus 2x equal to 0. Because denominator will be there and you can cross multiply. Okay, then here minus 4x minus 6x, sorry, minus 2x, then minus 6x, which is equal to this 4 will go there, therefore minus 4. Therefore your x equals minus minus get cancelled, then 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. X equal to 2 by 3. That means at this point, okay, x equal to 2 by 3. The potential is 0. That means you have to write at 2 by 3 x, okay, or meter, okay, because x you have calculated at 2 by 3 meter, okay, from 4 microcoulomb or positive charge, the potential is equal to 0. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, they will confuse from this charge and they will confuse at the center, just like or 1/3. Okay, but you have to simply calculate, because see 4 by x or 2 by 1 minus x only. Cross multiplying simply within 2 steps you got the answer. Just like let us see many more problems in coming days. Thank you. Please subscribe and share it. And before that you fix your definite goal.